In this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and play the game Hades 2 on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. But downloading on random websites can also lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to the search bar and we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to Steam, after that open this link and then we are searching for the game Hades 2. So search for it, select the game, and once you are there we will scroll a little bit down. As you can see, this game is available for a price of €28.99. Quite expensive if you ask me. The next step is to click on the link in the description where it says find game here, and then you will be redirected to this website. Once you are there, search for the same game Hades 2 and then we will click on search. Now the next step is to select games on the left side. After that, sort by and then price lowest first. Once you have done that, you need to watch the green mark text. This means that this game can be activated in your country. That is very important. So the next step is to select the most cheapest one. As you can see, this is the cheapest one which is available at this site. So select it, and after that you will see that this game is available for just €15.30 instead of €28.99. So that is a big difference, and once you are buying this game on this website, you will receive a confirmation mail with all the steps to follow and an activation key to activate this game and download it on Steam. Once you have done that, then you are able to play and install this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!